وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فقد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في كلامه المجيد وفرقانه الحميد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم حق الله على العباد أن يعبدوا ولا يشركوا به شيئا أو كما قال النبي عليه الصلاة والسلام. The Honorable President of the Annual Lecture Program organized by Al-Radila Literary Society, the Esteemed Panel of Judge, the Esteemed Director and other guests. Warm greetings and heartfelt congratulations from my side to all of you. My dear brothers, today I will try to speak briefly about the worship is the secret of human creation. Unfortunately, it is almost impossible for me to narrate it within the limited time frame. But I will try to discuss my subject shortly, inshallah ta'ala. Dear brothers, human beings are the best expression of Allah. Allah has blessed us knowledge, intelligence, and countless favor. But many people forget the real purpose of life. They become busy with wealth, entertainment, and worldly success. Will it bring the true reason for their creation? Dear brothers, the real secret behind the creation of mankind is the worship of Allah.